Open your Premiere Pro, new composition, then press it. Type in new composition and change your sequence setting high and wait. Then select your background color. After then press OK. You see your green screen video and footage. Go your effect panel, search this option key color. Drag and drop your footage and go to effect control. See key color, change key color and this key drop your green screen. This green screen is removed, not properly. You see this option tolerance. Bump up tolerance. When you increase it, you will see green screen proper remove. Then select any one. Next video, search Alt key. The key drop your green screen and increase color tolerance. Bump up and you will see your green screen will be removed. Thanks for watching this video.